Hello, assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Economics Study with Farhana. Basically, today I am gonna tell you about how we'll interpret the regression result when there is interaction among two dummy variables. So, in my previous video, I have told you about how we'll interpret the regression result when there is interaction effect among continuous variable and dummy variable. The video will be pop up at the top. You can watch that video also. So, let's get started. First of all, here you can see the regression model where y represents the hourly wage in dollar. It is in continuous variable. Then there is two dummy variable. One is female and another is non-white. And this is basically the interaction term where we want to find out the combination effect of female and non-white on hourly wage. So basically the female variable represents one if female and zero otherwise, that means male. So here base category is male. In the case of non-white, on if non-white and zero otherwise or white, that means here non-white variable the base category is white. Basically the intercept term will represent the mean value of base categories. That means the intercept term will represent the mean hourly wage for male and for white. Here you can see the alpha intercept for female equal to 0, non-white equal to 0. It basically represents the expected value of hourly wage for male who is white. Basically, we have found this result by this calculation, like if we consider the mean hourly wage for male and white, that means both are 0. So if we substitute the value of this dummy variable result with 0, that means the alpha will remain. Then as female variable is 0, it will be 0. Then when non-white equal to 0, that means the beta 2 will be also 0. That means beta 2 into 0 equal to 0. Then if we multiply this coefficient value with 0 and 0, then only remaining value is intercept term, that is alpha. Then the second one, that is alpha plus beta on, it will represent the mean hourly wage for female and white. When the dummy variable on equal to on and dummy variable 2 equal to 0, that means the expected value of hourly wage for female who is white. If we calculate the second on, we can find that the female equal to on and non-white equal to 0. So if we substitute this value in the regression model, we can find intercept term will remain, then beta on into on, that means female equal to on, so it will be on, there will be beta on plus beta 2 into non-white, here will be 0, that means beta 2 into 0 equal to 0, so this whole value will be 0. Then beta 3 into on as female equal to on, then non-white equal to 0, so beta 3 into on into 0 equal to 0. So the only remaining value will be alpha plus beta on. So the alpha plus beta on will represent the expected value of hourly wage for female who is white. If we want to find out the hourly wage for male who is non-white, that means when female equal to 0 and non-white equal to on, then the value would be alpha plus beta 2. Then we found expected value of hourly wage for male who is non-white, and the calculation would be the same like that. For example, as female equal to 0, that means beta on value would be 0. Then as non-white value is on, so the beta 2 value will remain, that means alpha plus beta 2, and then beta 3 into female equal to 0 and non-white equal to on, so the whole value would be 0. So the remaining value basically is alpha plus beta 2. So alpha plus beta 2 will represent the expected value of hourly wage for male who is non-white. Then alpha plus beta 1 plus plus beta 2 plus beta 3 will represent mean hourly wage for female who is non-white. As female equal to 1 and non-white equal to 1, so alpha plus beta 1 into 1, so this beta 1 value will remain. Then beta 2 into 1, that means beta 2 value will also remain, plus beta 3 into 1, that means beta 3 will also remain. So the whole coefficient value would be alpha plus beta 1 plus beta 2 plus beta 3. It will represent the expected value of hourly wage for female who is non-white. So these four value you can represent at your explanation. You can also compare among different categories of dummy from this result. So I hope it is helpful for you and you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.